Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from CoinStats to Cash App. So first thing, open your CoinStats app, then click on Portfolio on the bottom left corner, then click on Connect Portfolio. In order to transfer money from CoinStats to Cash App, we need to add a wallet or portfolio that support Cash App. In that case, we can use Coinbase, but you can choose any other portfolio or wallet that support Cash App. For me, I'll choose Coinbase. Then all you need to do is to link Coinbase to CoinStats, then just click Submit. After that, go back to Portfolio and click on Add Manual Transaction. You can choose any currency that you want to transfer. I will choose USD. Then click on Sell here and click the amount that you want to choose to transfer. Then click Select Portfolio. After connecting your portfolio, you should find Coinbase here or any other portfolio that you did connect. Then go back and click on Add. After that, all you need to do is to go to your Coinbase app and transfer that money to your Cash App. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.